If you're looking for the ultimate style upgrade, look no further. Ken's Factory Pro Series seats are designed and made in the USA, and their quilted retro styling with black embroidery perfectly blends the old school spirit with a modern day twist. You'll ride in comfort on Saddlemen's supple Saddlehyde cover material with the combination of Whisper, Allante, and extreme gripper side panels. The seat also includes a Gelcore and ultrafoam interior to create the ideal balance of rigidity and user compliance. Gelcore is the largest comfort advancement in motorcycle seating since the creation of the suspension. It's a unique and proprietary technology employed in the front and rear to reduce tailbone pressure and increase circulation and comfort for both the driver and passenger. We created it especially for motorcycle seats over 2 decades ago, adapting and improving a product that was widely used in the medical industry. It's a closely guarded secret technology that can't be duplicated. Don't be fooled by other companies' foam-only or air bladder stories. We formulate and manufacture Gelcore in-house to specifically dampen, divert, and deflect energy through a mechanical process resulting in a smooth, therapeutic ride. And Gelcore technology is why Saddlemen is the world's leader in motorcycle seating, allowing avid riders to easily get more comfort and performance out of their motorcycles. Ultrafoam's unique molding process creates an element-resistant self-skinning process that seals the foam from water and enhances the seat's durability as well as comfort. The closed-cell foam doesn't break down over time and shields your muscles from fatigue by dampening and diverting the effects of engine vibration and road impacts. Handmade in California, the Ken's Factory Pro Series seat is now available for late model baggers. Installation is easy, with all necessary mounting hardware and instructions included. The Saddlemen Ken's Factory Pro Series seat is the upgrade that will enhance your motorcycle's appearance while instantly improving the quality of your next ride. If you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen seat for your motorcycle. Call us at 1-800-397-7709 or email us at sales@saddlemen.com.